Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer, presenting you monthly horoscope for 2020. This particular monthly forecast has no relevance with Western astrology or sun prediction because my whole predictions are based on your moon sign. My whole predictions are based on Vedic Indian astrology. On today's video, here are the reminder of what I'll be discussing on your monthly horoscope, the monthly forecast. I'll be talking about your health. I'll be talking about your education. I'll be discussing about your romantic life, your relationship life. I'll be informing you regarding your career, job or profession, as well as your monthly conclusion. To skip to a particular part of this video, I have placed timestamps for each of these subjects in this video description below. So here are the monthly forecast for all of you, and please don't forget afterward to like this video, subscribe and click that bell to get the notification of your latest weekly, monthly, yearly horoscope plus your major 4 transit planetary horoscopes. Here are on my channels. To have the full version of this video, which include the transit, all the transits, your tasks, your precautions, the chanting for this month, please do visit our website prakashastrologer.com. Libra health for month of June. Your vitality may be low, periodically contributing to health problems. You may lack physical activities. Your health condition may be fragile. Emotional depression can seriously affect your state of health. And may I say that you have to keep yourself positive. Refrain from negative thinking. And you may suffer from nervous disorder or hypochondria or digestive problem. Your blood may be susceptible to some sort of an issue, and you may suffer from health issues, possibility due to overheating of some sort of part. Your eyesight may suffer. There may have been some disturbing factor in the reproductive side of your health, but you may have to look after your feet as well. Education for month of June. Education for you is undertaking that yield good results. Education this particular month, may I say that come easy to you, and you are very enthusiastic about learning and living and applying your applied knowledge. And your education is very thorough. But some teachers will help you out. You can rationalize, and may I say that you are a student of ancestral wisdom, and you will excel in any type of research project which is scientific. You can be excellent researcher or perform your work with proper scholarly finance. You have a high standard of research and learning, and you may be interested in earth sciences like a social sciences or demography or domestic art. Romance or relationship for month of June. In this coming month of June, you are happiest when you love someone, and you want to be loved in return. You're highly romantic and extravagant. You can be possessive in love. There may be tendency to indulge in a secret relationship. You're successful in love. You may have some difficulty expressing yourself in love relationship, but be careful not to be forceful in processing of creating any relationship. You might be very easygoing about getting romantically involved. Your relationship life will be happy and pleasant. You may have difficulty in matrimonial relationship. You're too judgmental and fussy about how attractive your partner should be. There may be some painful experiences in your life with regards to love and sexuality. It's hard to find a place where you and your partner can spend time together. Sometimes you're not able to pour your best energy in your relationship. Fight with your partner can develop from lack of understanding. So develop more understanding. Job, profession, career in the month of June. In this coming month of June, like recognition, you seek an audience. You may secretly, not openly, have a high and glorious ambition, and this conflict may bring you to worry and underestimate your skills and capabilities. The way you perform your action is not always in a direct or straightforward way, but in whatever the way it takes you to get work done. Even if you have to break few rules, that's you. You can be an overachiever. You can be high-powered, productive worker and performer. You may be engaged in competitive undertaking with other people in your field. You may teach people and executive. To turn these effects to your advantage, you should plunge into career which involves selfless action and self-sacrifice that aims at common good of everybody. You may be involved with universities, organizations, political parties, churches, or religious organizations. You will be very wise. You can be very speculative and have a keen business sense. Libra monthly conclusion for month of June 2020. In this coming month, June 2020, Libra, you may acquire some sort of a health issue regarding eye infection or cough or cold. There may be increase in rising in opponents and a lot of arguments or conflict with people around you. Libra, this particular month of June, you may have few mental anguish. You will make lots of excessive expenditure, sometimes beyond your own expectation. There will be a general laziness, and look after your family relationship. Take care of your abdomen, and any issue regarding your chest or can be the source of trouble. Libra, you will suffer from a lot of disappointment, sometimes loss of status, prestige and honor, and you may suffer from injury from fire or weaponry. Beware of that one. Misfortune and disappointment may plague you. Strife with nearest and dearest one and difference opinion with your own family members are likely to happen. You have to be very careful about that. And animal or vehicle may be source of harm, so be careful. Travel opportunity will be rising, and land or business will provide you monetary gain. There is a domestic harmony. You'll have access to comfort and vehicle, and you'll benefit from the authorities. You'll enjoy the good income, and you may suffer from a lot of mental anguish and fear from thieves and thugs and opponents. Illness linked with family members can cause a lot of worry for you. Travel is probability there. You will be religiously inclined. You will fulfill your desire, enjoy good fortune and gain in wealth. Journeys will prove profitable, and you will have success in your undertaking. You will have some elevation in your professional status. Opponents will be destroyed. Your sibling may suffer from ill health. Travel and business are gainful. Favor from authorities can be there. And look after your family members' health and well-being, especially health. And may I say that if there's any health issue regarding tummy or lower abdomen, you have to see the doctor, please. And if you have any health issues regarding cough or cold or eye disease, this particular month of June you have to be extra careful. Desired success and fame will be achieved with a lot of hard work. And if you are educating yourself, the result will be phenomenal. And may I say that you have to be very careful about your decision-making strategies. Extremely careful. This particular month of June, material prayer and rise in fortune will be there, but you have to put a lot of effort for this. And as longer you're using applied wisdom, common sense, and you'll enjoy thoroughly. There will be widespread fame and comfort and will be there. And sometimes mind can be disturbed due to family disputes or arguments. So when it comes to family relationship, you have to be extra careful. But with the help of task precaution chanting, you can sort out yourself. You must sort out your sun, combination of sun and Venus, and look after your moon in the birth chart in the monthly forecast for the prevention of professional losses or financial losses or bad debts or flow of income decline, and for your own peace of mind. With the help of task precaution chanting, you can sort out your plan for your best. You can have the full monthly forecast report from the website with a whole forecast for the whole website with very thorough forecast plus conclusion plus task precaution chantings and what you shouldn't do in the form of precautions. Libra task of the month. Do wear a Buddha Jitta yantra and a silver chain around your neck. Bury 400 gram black salt in the ground on Saturday morning. Do drop 9 dry whole coconuts in the deepest lake after touching your forehead on Wednesday. Do donate whole meal atta, whole moong dal, rice to temple in the langar. Do organize Kanya Pujan in the temple. Bury 8 blue flowers in the ground on every Friday evening. Float 12 kilogram rice in the fast flowing river. Libra precaution of the month. Refrain from losing temper, foul behavior, any arguments, living conflicts. Libra chanting of the month. Eng, Harim, Sharim, Kalim, Cha Mundaye Vichay. 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 More you do it, more you achieve it. Thanks for watching this monthly video. Would you like to know more about what this coming month is going to bring for you regarding your job, business, profession, career, financial backing? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming month regarding your romantic life, love life? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming month? Would you like to have some guidance regarding your decision-making strategies or choices-making strategies and how you can resolve your problems, complications, hassles, obstacles, waste of time, delays in this coming month? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough moon sign monthly horoscope report on the video as well as written. And do visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. I want your best in this coming month. I want you to achieve the best in this coming month.